we're playing Teardown today, people. And that background music is my dad's, so yeah, enjoy. Alrighty then. Hold on a sec. Alright folks, we're going to play on one of these maps. We go to Collington. I never know how to pronounce it. Just take a minute to listen to that music. Right, here we are. The awful map. It kind of looks a bit gloomy, doesn't it? Hold on a sec. Oh, Savenio. Alright then. I've disabled all my mobs because the game loads quicker. Alrighty then. Something's telling me I just have to shoot the fence with a shotgun. Right. What say you? We sprint. It's a hit and run, baby. I'm actually going to see it. I didn't know it was dynamic. It's dynamic. It's crazy. I don't care if it's dynamic or not. It has to go. This is Teardown. See? It had to go. It's Teardown. And everything is destructible. I want a car! Sweet! Well, I got a car, so... Down it, down it, down it, down it. Woohoo, baby! Yeah, I've got a solution. There you go. Headlights as good as new. I think. Yeah, baby! Oh, drive through the cornfield. I think I overreacted a bit. I need to cut through the cornfield now. Down now, down now, down now. Have I lit that on fire? Oh dang, we should run. Oh, no, the door is not locked. Oh gosh. Hold on a sec. Hold on a second. Oh, is there something here? Well, there will be if I do this. My gosh. Oh look, it's the Teardown services. Let's blast the sign off. Down here. Now, just E. L and E. It's the LTS van. Down here. It's the LTS van. Did I crash into the... No, I crashed into the car. What am I going to do? Blast open the window. Let's go. And the car's still going, sort of. I think I'm going to end my travels to, Collington with this. Next map. Alright, next map. We're going to Frustrum. Let's go to Frustrum. Frustrum is not loading properly. Oh, here we are. Alright. Ooh, this is sweet. Just blew it off. M. Marley Moo. M for Marley Moo. Just cut off the sharp edges. Yeah, it's Marley Moo to... Oh, dang. I've stolen a car. Don't care. It's time to get out of here. Ooh, what is this? It is Popo. Hello, anybody here? It's Gru from Minions. It is Gru from Despicable Me. It is Gru from all of those. Now, where are you? I want to kill you. Oh no, I didn't mean to throw down a pipe bomb. Gosh, dang it. It is a picture. Goodbye, my friend. Oh, electricity box. Alright, let's pick around in here to see if there's any secrets. Nope. Nope. Sardino. I have no idea what's going on. Teardown's a really fun game. I really enjoy playing it. Oh, yes. It's my car. Car I've been hiding in here for years because it didn't drive properly. And I've been working on it for years. So, down it. Oh. Crash it as soon as I get a car. It sounds like me, doesn't it? I'm driving through a tunnel. Nino, Nino, Nino. I did. You can't destroy it. That's a shame. How do I lower it? Downhill. How do I make it go faster? If you don't make it go faster, my friend, now I have to run. It just made that sound effect because there's no teeth. Sprint. Alright. Ooh, sail. Give me the food! Oh, there's no food. Dang, I think I just broke something. Is that meant to be a blender? It's one solid blender. It's one solid blender. Is this a solid blender? Yes, it's one of the ninja blenders. It's a frying pan. What's in the back here? More frying pans. And knives. No, I've got a better way of getting out of here than knives. Let's do it. The Grand Hotel. EST 1979. Alrighty then. That's actually a pretty significant date. Just nudge the car out. Let me in! No, not the car! Darn it. Has anybody got like, can anybody jump start my car? Chandelier, boom. Light, boom. Another light, boom. Light, boom. Light over there, boom. Light over there, boom. I would like to stay in the hotel. Okay, is there a bathroom? We don't like bathrooms in this hotel. It just blew! It just blew by the edges of the... Yeah, we don't like bathrooms in this hotel. That was their excuse. That was their excuse for making me pipe bomb it. I heard the doors on this car actually move. It's a miracle. Alright, so I saw something in the teardown trailer. I did this. Seems like a bit of a crazy idea, but Marley Moo's crazy, so. I'm not sure if it looks like that in the trailer, but it's going to look like that here. And whoa, that's laggy. That is laggy. I think I should shotgun them off. I don't have very good aim, so maybe I should just run. Right, this is the place I kind of robbed of their ninja. I'm walking around the back of the hotel. It's me! That's fun. I promise I'll do a Minecraft video soon because it's mostly just been Steam games recently. I promise I'll do a Minecraft video soon. Free the fish into the oh, there's no fish in the back. Dang! I've got some fish in my room, like right now, like literally behind me. Goodbye, cruel world. Let's see if I can put some bombs underwater. You can? I wonder what happens if I shoot it. I'm going to stand a fair distance away. You can cause explosions underwater. It's crazy. I've got speed bow. Whoa, how did it escalate to this that quickly? Whoa! No, I think I'm going to have to spawn. Just use a patrol. Oh my gosh, that's big. Well, I knew it was going to be big, but not this big. It's the perfect hiding spot. If I use my shotgun to blast 2 little holes, I can probably get in. Let me in! Ugh! It's so difficult to get inside of a boat. Alright, I'm in. Kind of in the engine room. This is actually quite snug. It's comfy in here. Dang it, whenever I say that. Well, goodbye, cruel world. Again. You know, just fall into the water. Alright guys, that's the end of this teardown video. I hope you enjoyed this video and smash like. So, bye. See you next time.